Kurumira ikinya ria thirikari ria gutigirira arutwo wothe aria mekire kiganio gia KCPE mwaka muhituku nimona mieke thiini wa cukuru cia sekondari, cukuru itiganite cia gukoma iria ciaguritwo ni thirikari kuheana mathomo ma arutwo makiinukaga ni ithiite na mbere kwamukira ihoya ria arutwo aria marenda guthoma rungu rwa mubango uyu.
Going by the request that we have received, many people have not yet responded towards the day school, because most of the requests that we are receiving are still on the boarding section. But those who are making the day school requests, we are considering them if they are within the cut-off marks.
Tegia gukorwo arutani anene ya thukuru-ini ni mamukirite mutaratara uyu ni maugite hari na uritu gutigirira arutwo othe mari na mitugo miega.
There are those who are coming from the slum, Kiambio, Kwanjenga, Kwa Ruben. So these are people without money. Some of them have good marks from public schools like 350, 348, 360. And when they are coming from public schools, you know that they are good cases. So we hope that those are the ones that are going to benefit more from the day wing.
We will have to make sure there is sufficient security as the students get into enter from the gate. We will also have to ensure that there is sufficient screening of the students as they come in. And we also have to make sure that there are some tight school rules that will guide these students so that when they come to school, they are well integrated with the other students. Because once they come to school, they will all be our students.
Ginyagia ihinda riri thirikari ni yambiriria kuongerera namba ya arutani thukuru-ini ici iri njira imwe ya kugacirithia mathomo. Hamwe na uguo mabuku maria thirikari yeranire ni mambiriria gukinya thukuru-ini ici.
Each one of you going to Form 1, when you report to school next week, you will get 6 textbooks paid for by the government of the Republic of Kenya. Each one of our children, wherever you will go to school, because education must be an equalizer, so that you get books the same as the kids who will go to all those other big schools will get books.
Thukuru iria ihutitio ni mubango uyu muno ni cia nationals na cukuru iria ciuikaine ta extra counties. Mubango wa mathukuru mamwe ma boarding schools gukorwo makiheana mweke kuri arutwo a kuinuka ni day scholars ni umwe wa mitaratara iria thirikari yambiririe niguo gutigirira arutwo othe aria maruma kirathi gia kanana ni mahota kuona mieke mathukuru-ini ma sekondari. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.